Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to pin a message in WhatsApp group, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a message in WhatsApp group, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that, after opening your WhatsApp on this interface, open up the chat box of the group on which you want to pin a message, and after that, on this interface, type in the message which you want to pin. Like I'll be just typing a demo message of a pin message and send it. And after you have sent, guys, the message has been sent. Now in order to pin that message on the group, tap and hold on it, and after that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the bunch of menu appear at the top of the screen. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right, and you can see the pin message appear, or the pin option appear just below the copy. Tap on pin and choose the duration on which you want to pin your message, and after that, tap on pin, and that message will be pinned. You can see, guys, at the top of the screen, the pin message is over here. When you tap on it, it shows us this message which we have pinned. And guys, this is how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.